CinchShare, what it is, it's the easiest and fastest social media scheduler where you can schedule an unlimited amount of social media posts to an unlimited amount of platforms in just one click. So here's just some of the different platforms that you can post to from CinchShare: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. It's your central hub for social media, parties, and teams. So like I said, you can post to multiple social media accounts at once, or you can, there's just a lot of things you can do it. If you have Facebook parties, because maybe you're in direct sales and you want to do Facebook parties, or maybe you want to do, it doesn't necessarily have to be for parties, but if you want to do events, maybe you're going to be talking about something that you want people to learn about, you can do events. And then it's also for like team. So if you have a team, like you're in direct sales and you have a team, you could share your posts that you had created yourself with your team. And this is something that I had done when I was in direct sales. I actually shared all my posts with all the direct sales people that were in that certain direct sales company. So like I said, you can use it for Facebook parties. So you can schedule parties, and you can schedule parties in minutes. You can share the party post with your team. You can get free party scripts and graphic bundles, as well as up-to-date party training to keep your Facebook parties engaging. You can read that yourself. But this one is the batch post parties, and you don't necessarily have to do batch post parties. You can use batch posts for other things besides parties. Maybe what I did was every Monday I would post a quote to one of my business pages, and so I set that up with batch posts. So I scheduled it out in advance. I had all these different quotes that I had already written and had created posts for, and then I just selected them all and I just added an interval. So every Monday at 8 a.m. It's just great. I really like the batch post because let's say you have a party and then you want to have that same party again. You can go back into history and you can get that party and you can batch post it. But I will be explaining that in a future video. You can auto post to Facebook and Instagram, so you can automate your social media by scheduling with CinchShare, allowing you to post automatically to Facebook groups, pages, Instagram feed, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and upload, save, and schedule unlimited videos. So let's say you're not ready to post something right yet. You found a video or maybe a photo, and you just want to make sure you save it. This is a really great feature where you just upload it, you save it, and then you can go back to it later to add your writing, whatever you want the post to say, and then schedule it up. You can share, like I said, you can share templates with your team. So you can create and organize and share content in just a few clicks, and I'll show you that. And then you can share folders, and I'll show you that in a future video. And then text clips is a really great tool as well. I use this a lot for hashtags and Instagram. I have a Etsy business, and I have an Instagram account. And so what I'll do is I'll put all the possible hashtags that I want to make sure I add to every single Instagram post. And then sometimes I add some other stuff in the beginning, but you don't necessarily have to, you could add the stuff that you want to add, then you go to text clips, and then it'll add all your hashtags that you want. And you can have, I don't know how many text clips you can have, but this is definitely a time-saving feature. You can also use it for your links. There's so many things that you can use text clip for, and I will talk about that in a future training as well. CinchShare has a free content library where you can access thousands of ready-made social media graphics for grab-and-go scheduling. You can fill your feed with pre-made content geared specifically for your business, and then you can select from thousands of engagement, including this or that, ABCDs, fill in the blank, engaging quotes, and so much more. And then, CinchShare is nice. You can plan out. They have free printables that they provide to people, where you can plan out an entire month of content with their free monthly content calendars, giving you great ideas for what you want to post every day of the month. And so much more. And CinchShare is great. They have free trainings every week, and I will provide that link to the free trainings below. but it's all about bringing you up to, up to date with all the media strategies for your business. And they offer free trainings, and they show you how to do stuff in CinchShare, but they have lots of different CinchShare trainings that are very helpful. Another bonus is that you can design with Canva right inside CinchShare. And that's something I'm going to be also showing you guys how to do do YouTube videos with Canva. But right now I'm just going to concentrate on CinchShare. So you can easily design with Canva right inside CinchShare. Then you create something, and then you click a button, and then it goes right into your post. So it's so much stuff. And there's even more things that I haven't even told you about that you can do in CinchShare. There's just so many things. So if you go down below in the comments, there'll be a link that you can click on that you get a 30-day free trial with CinchShare. After that, it's just $10 a month with no contract, and you can cancel at any time. So if you have any questions about CinchShare, be sure to comment below. Otherwise, I'll be providing videos on how to do all the different things that you can do in CinchShare in the future.